Good morning, students. In aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids. Next is the preparation of aldehydes and ketones. In the preparation of aldehydes and ketones, some of the methods are deleted for this year. The preparation of aldehydes and ketones by oxidation of alcohols and from the hydrocarbons, these methods are deleted for this year. And therefore, we are going to study here the next method, that is from acyl chlorides. Acyl chlorides. Acyl chlorides are nothing but the acid chlorides. From the acid chlorides, we can obtain the aldehydes as well as ketones. Now, what is the acid chloride? You know the carboxylic acid, RCOOH. This is the carboxylic acid, and from this carboxylic acid, when this OH is replaced by Cl, then we get here RC++OCl. This is known as the acid chloride or acyl chloride. Acid chloride is obtained in this way. For this purpose, this carboxylic acid is reacted with various reagents such as PCl5. On reaction with PCl5, there is a replacement of OH by Cl. So this is the acyl chloride. From these acyl chlorides, we have to prepare the aldehydes and ketones. First here, aldehydes. Aliphatic as well as aromatic aldehydes are obtained by this method. Here the acyl chloride, which have general formula RCOCl, is reduced by addition of hydrogen in presence of catalyst PD, palladium, which is poisoned by BaSO4. Palladium is the catalyst, but here the catalyst is poisoned by BaSO4. Now, what is the need of poisoning of the catalyst? Palladium is the catalyst. If pure palladium is used, pure palladium, then the reduction takes place completely. Complete reduction of the acyl chloride will occur there, and we get here some other product, that is the alcohol. But here we have to convert this acid chloride into the aldehyde or the ketone. And therefore here, particularly for the preparation of aldehydes, here the reduction should not occur completely. That's why we have here poisoned the palladium catalyst by BaSO4. So here there is a reduction. In place of Cl, hydrogen atom get attached, and this Cl and one hydrogen will form HCl. In this way, the acyl chloride or acid chloride, this acid chloride get converted to aldehyde. Here acid chloride is converted to aldehyde, and this reaction is known as Rosen-Munz reduction. It is the Rosen-Munz reduction. Means in the Rosen-Munz reduction, an acyl chloride or acid chloride is reduced by hydrogen in presence of PD, which is a catalyst which is poisoned by BaSO4. Palladium should be poisoned by BaSO4, otherwise the acid chloride will undergo complete reduction to give an alcohol instead of aldehyde. Here we have to obtain the aldehyde, and therefore the complete reduction should not occur. That's why the palladium is poisoned by BaSO4. Here example, when we take acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride is an example of, it is a chloride of acetic acid. You know acetic acid, CH3 C double bond OH from the acetic acid, when OH is replaced by Cl, then there is a formation of acetyl chloride. Means acetyl chloride is the acid chloride of acetic acid. It is acid chloride which is obtained from acetic acid. So when it is reduced by Rosenmund's reduction method, by Rosenmund's reduction, it will be converted into CH3 CHO, CH3 CHO. It is acetaldehyde. Common name is acetaldehyde, but the IUPAC name will be ethanol because there are 2 carbon atoms in the longest chain. Ethanol. Ethanol is obtained. Similarly here, C6H5 C double bond O Cl. This is the chloride of benzoic acid, and therefore its name is benzoyl chloride. It is a benzoyl chloride, chloride of benzoic acid. When it is reduced by the same method, then there is formation of C6H5 C double bond OH. Now this is the aldehyde, its name is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde is obtained, aromatic aldehyde. This is the aliphatic aldehyde, this is the aromatic aldehyde. In this way, the aliphatic as well as aromatic aldehydes are obtained by this method, that is by the Rosenmund's reduction. In the Rosenmund's reduction, remember, the acid chloride are reduced by hydrogen in presence of PD poisoned by BaSO4. Now here, instead of using palladium poisoned by BaSO4, suppose here we have taken pure palladium, then what will be the product? Instead of using palladium poisoned by BaSO4, if we use here pure palladium, then in presence of this pure palladium, there will be complete reduction of this acid chloride. Acid chloride will undergo complete reduction, and in this complete reduction, there will be conversion of this acid chloride into the alcohol. Acid chloride will get converted to alcohol. Complete reduction will occur. And to avoid this complete reduction here, we poison the palladium catalyst by BaSO4. Means here BaSO4 acts as a poison. It makes the palladium catalyst inactive, less active, and therefore the partial reduction occurs to give the aldehyde. For example, here benzoyl chloride C6H5 C double bond OCl. It is reduced by hydrogen in presence of palladium, then there is a formation of C6H5CH2OH. This is the benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol is obtained instead of benzaldehyde. Instead of benzaldehyde, there is a formation of benzyl alcohol. But here, if the same reaction is carried out by using palladium BaSO4, then there is a formation of benzaldehyde. So this is one method for the preparation of aldehydes. Then from the acid chlorides, how to obtain the ketones? Preparation of ketones. The ketones are obtained from the acid chlorides by using the Grignard reagent. See here, RMgX. It is the Grignard reagent. 2 moles of Grignard reagent are reacted with cadmium chloride. This is cadmium chloride. So what happened here? Cadmium chloride is converted into dialkyl cadmium. Dialkyl cadmium. These 2 alkyl groups attached to the cadmium to give dialkyl cadmium plus 2 moles of this byproduct MgXCl. So dialkyl cadmium, this is very important here. Dialkyl cadmium. Now after getting the dialkyl cadmium, what happened here? The acid chloride, which may be written as R-COCl, R-. To differentiate this alkyl group from this alkyl group, we write here R dash. 2 moles of the acid chloride. 2 moles of acid chloride are reacted with dialkyl cadmium. Then what happened here? There is formation of 2 moles of R dash C double bond O R. R dash C double bond O R. Again, there is a regeneration of cadmium chloride. So this is the ketone. This is the ketone. In this way, the ketones are obtained from the acid chloride. To obtain the ketone from acid chloride, first of all, we need here the dialkyl cadmium. The dialkyl cadmium is obtained by reacting the Grignard reagent. This is the Grignard reagent which is reacted with cadmium chloride to obtain the dialkyl cadmium. The dialkyl cadmium is then reacted with acid chloride to give the ketone. For example, here, number 1. Here CH3MgBr. This is the Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide, is reacted with cadmium chloride. Then we get here dimethyl cadmium. Dimethyl cadmium plus two moles of MgBrCl. Now here dimethyl cadmium when reacted with the chloride of acetic acid, which is known as the acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride, which is the chloride of acetic acid. Then dimethyl cadmium on reaction with acetyl chloride will form 2 moles of acetone. 2 moles of acetone, CH3 C double bond O CH3. 2 moles of acetone plus cadmium chloride. So acetone is obtained here. We can obtain the aromatic ketone also. Aromatic ketone can also be obtained by this method. See here. If we take here methyl magnesium bromide and cadmium chloride, then we get here dimethyl cadmium. Dimethyl cadmium is obtained. And when dimethyl cadmium is reacted with benzoyl chloride, which is a chloride of benzoic acid, it is obtained from benzoic acid, therefore its name is benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride is a chloride of benzoic acid. Acetyl chloride is the chloride of acetic acid. On reaction with dimethyl cadmium will give 2 moles of C6H5 C double bond O CH3. C6H5 C double bond O CH3, 2 moles plus cadmium chloride. Now this is the aromatic ketone, methyl phenyl ketone, which is known as acetophenone. Acetophenone, methyl phenyl ketone. Its structure is acetophenone, benzene ring. This is the acetophenone. This is the C6H5 group. C6H5 C double bond OCH3. Acetophenone, aromatic ketone is obtained in this way. So in this way, from the acid chlorides or acyl chlorides, we can obtain the aldehydes as well as ketones. Now, the second method for the preparation of aldehydes and ketones is from nitriles. That is from the cyanides. From nitriles. Nitriles means cyanides. Here aldehydes first. An alkyl nitrile RCN. Alkyl nitrile which are also known as alkyl cyanides. are reduced by stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid. Stannous chloride in hydrochloric acid, they are mixed together. Then they generate the nascent hydrogen. What is this? This is nascent hydrogen. Nascent hydrogen is different from the molecular hydrogen, remember. This is the nascent hydrogen, newborn hydrogen. This is generated by stannous chloride and HCl. So here two hydrogen atoms combine with this nitrile. One hydrogen will combine with carbon, other hydrogen will combine with nitrogen. And there is a formation of RCH double bond NH. RCH double bond NH. Triple bond get converted to double bond and HCl also combined with it. And it is a compound which is known as imine hydrochloride. Yeah, imine hydrochloride is obtained. Imine hydrochloride. Further, this imine hydrochloride is hydrolyzed by dilute acid. Dilute acid means acid dissolved in water. H positive dissolved in water. H3O positive stands for dilute acid. So it get hydrolyzed, it get decomposed by dilute acid, and there is a formation of RCHO. RCHO is formed. Plus remaining portion is converted into ammonium chloride. This remaining portion is converted into ammonium chloride. So in this way there is a formation of an aldehyde. Alkyl nitrile is reduced by stannous chloride and HCl. First of all, there is a formation of imine hydrochloride. The imine hydrochloride is later hydrolyzed by the dilute acid to give the aldehyde. So this method is known as Stephen's reduction. Stephen's reduction. This is the Stephen's reduction for the preparation of aldehydes. Example. If here we take CH3C triple bond N, which is known as the acetonitrile. Acetonitrile, methyl cyanide, when it is reduced by stannous chloride and HCl, the stannous chloride and HCl generates the nascent hydrogen which combine with the carbon and nitrogen. Then there is a formation of CH3, CH, double bond, NH, HCl, this HCl join with this, and it is known as the imine hydrochloride. After that, this imine hydrochloride is hydrolyzed by the dilute acid. There is action of dilute acid, then it gets decomposed. Decomposition occurs here. There is a formation of CH3, CHO. This portion is converted into aldehyde, plus remaining portion is converted into ammonium chloride. There is a formation of acetaldehyde. What is the name of this aldehyde? Acetaldehyde, ethanol. Ethanol is obtained in this way. So in this way there is a formation of acetaldehyde. The name of this imine hydrochloride is ethanimine hydrochloride. The name of this hydrochloride is ethanimine hydrochloride. Ethanimine hydrochloride is obtained which on acid hydrolysis give acetaldehyde. Second example. If we here take benzonitrile, C6, CH5, C triple bond N. Its name is benzonitrile. When benzonitrile is reduced by this method, that is by stannous chloride and HCl, the nascent hydrogen which is generated from stannous chloride and HCl will combine with benzonitrile, and there is formation of C6, H5, CH, double bond, and H, HCl. This is the imine hydrochloride. The name of this imine hydrochloride will be benzenamine hydrochloride. Benzenamine hydrochloride is obtained here. Further, the benzenamine hydrochloride, when hydrolyzed by dilute acid, benzenamine hydrochloride will form C6H5CHO, benzaldehyde plus ammonium chloride. This is the benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde is obtained here. Benzenamine hydrochloride. Benzenamine hydrochloride on acidic hydrolysis will give benzaldehyde. So this is the Stefan's reduction for the preparation of aldehydes. Here the aldehydes are obtained from the nitriles. Now how to obtain the ketones from the nitriles? But alternatively,